Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate COMSOL Multiphysics for EV battery degradation studies, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate COMSOL Multiphysics for EV battery degradation studies, start by ensuring you have a valid license key. Visit the COMSOL website and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up option. Once logged in, navigate to the Locate Your Licenses section. Select the license that corresponds to COMSOL Multiphysics. Download the appropriate installation file for your operating system. After downloading, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, open COMSOL Multiphysics. Click on Activate License from the main menu. Enter your license key into the designated field. If you have a license server, input the server address as instructed. Click on Activate to proceed with the activation. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that activation was successful. Restart COMSOL Multiphysics to ensure all changes take effect. Now, proceed to set up your new project for EV battery degradation studies. Select New Model from the home screen. Choose the relevant physics and applications for your battery model. You are now ready to start your simulation studies. Utilize the built-in tutorials for additional guidance on specific functionalities. Ensure you regularly save your progress while working on your project. With your license activated, you can effectively study battery degradation in electric vehicles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.